November 16th every year is celebrated as National Press Day to commemorate the institution of the Press Council of India in 1966 to monitor the quality of reportage provided by the Indian press. The Press Council of India, a statutory and quasi-judicial establishment, acts as a moral watchdog in ensuring that Indian journalists are not driven by any influence or external factors. In Shillong, the event was organized by the Shillong Press Club and supported by the Directorate of Information and Public Relations, Meghalaya. While virtually addressing the gathering from Delhi on the occasion of National Press Day, the chief guest, Honorable Minister of Information and Public Relations, Shri James P.K. Sangma, extended warm greetings to the media fraternity in the state. While he applauded the commitment and efforts of those journalists who have stood for honest and unbiased journalism, he also reminded members of the press fraternity a free and responsible press is essential for a strong and vibrant democracy. Speaking on the theme, Role of Media During the COVID-19 Pandemic and its Impact on the Media, James Sangma highlighted the importance of the media in providing reliable and accurate information on the pandemic.
I'm very thankful to Sri David Blackburn, who has made all this possible. So, dear friends, as we all know, an independent press is an integral element of democracy, and it is a key stakeholder in every form of governance by virtue of its duty to inform, to communicate, to educate, and engage the public for the purpose of sustainable development and social edification. That is why, as we all know, it is popularly known as the fourth pillar of democracy. On this National Press Day, I take the opportunity to congratulate and acknowledge the immense contribution the press fraternity of Meghalaya has made in these difficult and uncertain times in providing accurate information to the public by risking their lives and also the lives of their loved ones. When we thank all frontliners during this COVID pandemic for the sacrifice and hard work, we must not forget press fraternity, who have very silently been working despite all the challenges and the kind of sacrifices they have made. We are really truly very grateful to each and every one of you. On this special occasion, I must say that I am glad that the Shillong Press Club has chosen the theme of the role of media during the COVID-19 pandemic and its impact on the media, and has, as a matter of fact, invited Dr. Chiarika Sharma, the consultant psychiatrist at Super Hospital, to address the issue of mental health on this important day. The UN Secretary General, Mr. Antonio Guterres, recently declared that no one can take the place of the media during this pandemic in providing the public with information and analysis and in countering rumors and distortions. Unquote. This is such an important statement that he has made. He basically underscores the importance of the press and the media in providing reliable and accurate information about COVID-19 and undertaking independent critique of responses to the crisis. We have all seen how damaging and detrimental misinformation can be, especially during a time like COVID. While journalists, along with other frontline workers, have been at the forefront of the fight against the pandemic, little is spoken about the impact of COVID-19 on the mental health of journalists who, along with the healthcare professionals, perform an equally important task in the fight against the pandemic. A global survey of 1,400 English-speaking journalists in 125 countries found that the COVID-19 crisis has had major psychological and emotional impact on the members of the press fraternity. In fact, more than 80% of respondents exhibited at least one negative psychological effect, including anxiety, burnout, difficulty in sleeping, and a sense of helplessness. Whether it's burnout from working extra hours, mental stress on account of layoffs at many news publications, David had mentioned in Halep also, or countering misinformation spreading on social media platforms. The health crisis has placed extra pressure on an industry already facing multiple challenges. The pandemic has compounded these challenges while generating even more uncertainty.
Others present during the program were Srimati M. War Nongbri, Secretary, Information and Public Relations, Sri B. S. Solia, Director of Information and Public Relations, Mr. David Lightplang, President of the Shillong Press Club, Chayanika Sharma, Consultant Psychiatrist at Supercare Hospital Shillong, and also members of the press fraternity. After the program, members of the press took part in the webinar organized by the Press Council of India in New Delhi.